this is Phil from WTI. If you're watching this, you obviously got a message to descale your coffee machine. When I got that message, I bought Essential Values, coffee machine, descaler, and cleaner. Very easy to use. First thing you had to do is put half of this bottle into your reservoir, fill the rest up with water, and you run that through. Then you get 3 more of these reservoirs full of clean water, run that through. Descaler message goes away, and you have clean coffee again. With this comes a few filters, so you can put a new filter while you're at it. I've used vinegar before, and it gives off a strong scent, and it takes a while for it to go away. And with this, there's no scent at all, and it cleans everything right up really quickly. So when I bought it, it came with 2 bottles, and it takes half the bottle for 1 cleaning. So right there, I have 4 cleaning times. You don't have to descale every day, so you know it's gonna last you for a while. So if you do want to keep your coffee machine running very well, Essential Values is a good choice to go for because it takes care of your cleaning issues and gets you drinking coffee in the morning when you need it the most. And that's my point of view.